Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with HelloFresh. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to get started with HelloFresh. How does it actually work? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first, you want to go ahead and click on the link down below and sign up for HelloFresh. Now once you figure out the sign up process, you're going to need to choose your preferences, which is between meats and veggies, family friendly, fit and wholesome, pescatarian, or under 20 minutes. Now, depending on your menu or preferences, it's going to suggest you different recipes. So if I click meats and veggies and family friendly, it's going to show me recipes in both categories. Next, you need to decide how many people do you plan on feeding with these HelloFresh meals. So within your household, how many people are there? Are there 2? Are there 3, 4, 5, 6? So in my household, for example, there's only 2 people, so I'm just going to choose 2. Now, as far as the number of meals go, you have to decide how many meals do you want to cook this week using HelloFresh. Do you want to cook 6 meals or just 2 meals? So for our example, I'm just going to click on 3 meals. Now over here we have some blurred out information, but you just need to decide on your delivery address and then your delivery window. Now, it's very important to note that with your payment method, your payment details are needed to reserve your first box, and you'll be charged 4 days prior to your delivery. So notice how in my delivery window, it says Monday between 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. That means I need to decide on my menu prior to Thursday or the previous Thursday. If I try to adjust the menu on, let's say, Sunday, it won't let me, and therefore you're automatically going to be sent recipes which you didn't choose. However, those recipes are going to be based on your preferences that you've selected. So if we go into the My Menu option of HelloFresh, you can see different menu preferences here. So these are all the meals that are available for this week, and you could basically choose which ones you want once you've reactivated your plan. In addition to that, HelloFresh makes it very easy for you to skip weeks in case you're on vacation. I think it allows you to skip weeks 8 weeks in advance. So if you know that you're going on vacation next month, you can make it so that you skip next month's meal deliveries so that you don't get auto charged. Make sure you do that though, just because there have been some times where I accidentally forgot to skip and it automatically sent me another batch of food. But that is essentially how to get started with HelloFresh. Once your meal delivery comes, it's going to be sent in a cardboard box that has ice packs in it. And with each meal that you get, you are going to get these kind of postcards that kind of have the step-by-step instructions on how to actually cook each recipe. So that's really convenient. Make sure you keep these in case you want to use them for some time in the future. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and get started with HelloFresh. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.